morning student. Today we are going to start air and atmosphere. In this lecture we'll talk about gases. First, oxygen. You can see that its symbol and its atomic number is 8 and atomic mass is 16, and it is present in atmosphere 21%. You can see in pie chart very clear. It is one of most abundant element in the earth crust. Oxygen is necessary for living things. Oxygen is necessary for breathing. All living organism like plant and animal use the oxygen for respiration, and during respiration oxygen break down food to give carbon dioxide, water and energy. Yes, my dear student, during the respiration when we take the oxygen react with the digested food, and that food is broken down into energy, carbon dioxide and water, and by this process you are getting the energy for doing different kind of work. You can see in figure breathing, inhalation and exhalation, how it is working. You can see very clear in figure. The person who climb high mountain are called mountaineers, and mountaineers carry oxygen gas cylinder with them while climbing high mountain, and at high altitude the amount of air is very thin. That's why the mountaineer uses the gas contained in cylinder for breathing under condition of high altitude. Otherwise they will not get the oxygen and they will die. That's why they are carrying oxygen. You can see in figure they are carrying oxygen cylinder at their back. When driver go deep into sea water, they carry oxygen cylinder with them. This oxygen gas is used by driver for breathing while they are under the water. This is because there is no free oxygen in sea water which can be used by the driver for the breathing. Yes, my dear student, you can see in figure deep sea driver, they are carrying oxygen cylinder at their back, because in deep sea there is no free oxygen and they cannot get oxygen for the breathing. That's why they are carrying oxygen cylinder at their back for the respirations. Now we will talk about nitrogen. Its atomic number is 7 and atomic mass is 14, and it is the 7th element of the periodic table between carbon and oxygen. And already we have discussed the amount of nitrogen in pie chart. There is a 78% nitrogen is there in our atmosphere. Now we will talk about uses of nitrogen. First one, it is used in manufacture of ammonia to produce nitric acid, and which are used as a fertilizer. Means nitrogen compound are used for making many fertilizers which are used in field to increase the fertility of farmland. Second uses, nitrogen makes up 78% of Earth's atmosphere, and it is a part of all living tissue. Yes, my dear student, like protein, and protein is made up of nitrogen, because protein contain amino acid, and amino acid is the compound of nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is used as a refrigerant for transporting foodstuff, freezing purpose and preservation of bodies and organs of human body like kidney, eyes, heart. All these are carrying under the liquid nitrogen, because liquid nitrogen is used as a refrigerant, and it prevents it from getting infected from the germs because of its lower temperature. You can see in figure it is a liquid nitrogen. Fog is coming out from liquid nitrogen, and nowadays liquid nitrogen is used in many food stuff item like ice cream, cake, juice, cocktail. because liquid nitrogen give the fog which make it beautiful. So my dear student, we have discussed about oxygen and nitrogen. Few more topic about nitrogen we will discuss in next classes. Till then, thank you and have a nice day, my dear student.